Oh no, your maintenance light is on. Well, don't worry, because McGrath Arlington Kia is your go-to dealer. After scheduling your appointment, you pull into our service department, right through the automatic garage doors. Then, one of our outstanding advisors will greet you and check you in, which includes scanning your VIN number. This checks for any pending recalls and alerts us to which services you need performed. From there, you can enter our lush waiting area, or have a cup of coffee perhaps. Just want to drop off and hit the road? No worries, we offer loaner cars for our qualifying services. Now your vehicle enters the shop, where our technicians will put your vehicle on a lift and start the inspection process. They will ensure that there is nothing leaking, damaged, or out of the ordinary. And we'll even send you a text with your multi-point inspection, where our techs take photos and videos of anything that's out of factory spec, so that way you can address it. Our techs keep track of everything on the multi-point inspection, and you should really think of that as your vehicle's report card. After any services are completed on your vehicle, it's time for a nice bath. Once your car is sparkling, we park it, and at the same time, you'll get a text letting you know it's time to pick up your Kia. Servicing your vehicle at a dealership doesn't have to be a hassle. And at McGrath Arlington Kia, we do everything we can to ensure every customer has a fantastic experience from start to finish.